experience that, and it's very awkward. It's like, it sounds like the ABC from Closing Deal. People don't want to feel like that. They are humans. They have situations. Sometimes they broken. Sad to say, but when you're broken, the least you want is people trying to close you. It's uncomfortable. So being upfront with them and telling them that you're gonna have a normal conversation with them, and that you're gonna tell them either you're buying it or not, or you're gonna tell them what's gonna be the best, put you out there as an authority, is so ugly and so bad when you talk to someone who is just trying to get advantage of you. So don't do that to people, because you don't want anyone to do that to your children, to your wife, to your husband, to yourself. So put people in a position where they have options, and be the best option, of course. But you still have to make money, but doesn't mean that you have to stop being a good person.